Hello, my name is Thomas Vina. In class for MATLAB, doing a discussion for week 11. I'm making a video recording for my circuit that I made. It's called the Zoetrope project, and I'm going to run it for you guys. And there's some errors that came up. It took a while for me to try and figure it out, but I wasn't able to figure it out. Otherwise, the goal of the project was to display images coming out of the potentiometer, which is this thing, potentiometer. I also use a 9-volt battery, an Arduino board, breadboard, and I use a DC motor. The DC motor, I think, was to basically kind of assist with this motor driver. I think because I think this helps this work. Obviously, I'm not an expert, so I'm not sure. But I also used two push buttons between the resistors, and then the resistors to the push buttons to the Arduino, and then I connected the two power rails. And at the top power rail, connected the 9-volt battery. I have two resistors here. Both of these resistors are I think they're 10 kilo ohms. Yeah, 10 kilo ohm resistors. And these, I think the H bridge also has resistors too. I just don't know to what rate it's at. Essentially, I worked on this for a while and I wasn't able to get it to work, but this is the best I could come up with. So this is my project. Let me show you my code now. So this is the code. So basically, I started off with this first part here to enable and control the H bridge, which is this component here. Next, in my code, what I did was I defined each integer along with the switch and stuff. The switch, the enablers, the speeds, the directions. That is essentially this part. Here, for each pin, I basically, the pin that's connected between the push buttons and the Arduino, and so with the H bridge here, basically define the pin and whether it's basically an input or an output pin. The next part in the loop here, the loop is basically covers from here to, I think, to the end, I believe. So I'm not exactly sure what the void loop does, but I think, oh, let me see here. I believe what I'm doing is putting a bunch of possibilities and basically writing the code for the potentiometer to display the images of the Zoetrope. I was putting a bunch of if and then statements, or sorry, if and else statements to propose the different possibilities that would come from running the code and running the simulator here. And then at the end, I just close the loop. Alrighty, thank you.